What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, do you want to know how to remove negative accounts from your credit report? Well, guys, stay tuned. I'm about to give you the secrets. Nuggets. Stay tuned. Guys, welcome back. Once again, your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. I appreciate that you guys are listening to us and viewing us. So I want to, if you are new in our channel, please go ahead and subscribe, guys. Give us a thumbs up. Why? Give us a thumbs up. Why I want you to do that? Because like that, you help us bring this message to a lot more people. My goal is to help many thousands out there to actually get to the 800 club. I just don't want to help you, but I want to help more. So by you doing that, give me the thumbs up, you allow me to actually get out there and be able to reach more and more people. Now at the same time, please share, like, stay to the end. I'm about to give you a gift at the end of this video. But at the same time, guys, share. If you like this video and you find value in it, share with a friend, share with a family member. What I want to do is make sure that I help you, give you free tips in order to help you become a better credit sniper and learn the credit blueprint that you deserve in order for you to get to the 800 club. Now guys, you guys are here today in order to find out how to remove negative verified accounts from your credit report. Now guys, one of the main things that we need to first understand is a lot of people just give up. So let's just say you go to your credit report. Let's just say you go today to Credit Karma. And I keep saying Credit Karma because I know that a lot of you is just free out there. And if that's your choice, go for it. Guys, I just want to tell you that in the bottom of this video, there's going to be my score IQ and identity IQ. I'll advise you to actually go through them. I'm going to give you a 7-day free code for you to use. And if you could actually, if you want to go ahead and keep it, go keep it. If not, then you could cancel after the 7 days. But that's the best credit monitoring that we find out there right now. And guys, we've been doing it for a while, and this is what we actually advise to all of our clients. But one of the main things is anytime that somebody gets a credit report and find a negative account and they dispute it, what they do is once they dispute it, you know that the credit bureaus and creditors have 30 days by law, 30 days to go ahead, not only investigate, but reply to you and let you know if the account is verified or it will be deleted, because it is your right under the law. It is your right under the act to be able to dispute any accounts that you think is a mistake, is obsolete, and so on. So it is your job to do so, and it is their right, or it is your right for them to be able to complete their investigation in less than 30 days. Now, most of the time they come back and say that it's verified, and what people do is they give up. Wrong thing to do, guys. You gotta understand that 75% of the information out there right now that the creditors do, it is wrong. It is not right. You don't know, I mean, how many things we see every single day, from wrong name, wrong accounts, wrong addresses. Accounts get attached to people's credit reports without them knowing, and that affects your credit. So if you believe that you've been a victim of identity theft, or you've been creditors that are actually putting the wrong information on your credit report, or even the bureau, that happened to me, guys. A little while ago, I got a closed account, a lease that I have with Toyota. Closed almost more than 4 years ago. At the end of the month of June, it was closed. It was good standing, never been late. The month of July, I had a 120-day late payment. How did that happen? It was never late. It was closed the month before, but the following month was 120 days. Somebody did something wrong. Somebody reported something wrong. So at the end of the day, that affected me. And guys, I went from the 700s to almost like low 5 or high 590s. So more than 100 points just by one late payment, 120-day late payments. I should have got almost a collection but that wasn't the case. So now guys, imagine because this account got placed on my credit, I went ahead and Googled 609 letter. That's what I call the cookie cutter letter. That's the letter that everybody's using. Why I say this is because as in the Best Credit Blueprint, we got proprietary letters that will help you score higher. And what I mean score higher is when you use this cookie cutter letter, the systems in the credit bureaus, yes, because it's not a person. When they get the letter, it's not a person. Imagine if there was a letter, or if it was a person that actually gets your letter every single time. We never get anything done. So what happens is anytime the credit bureaus receive your letter, they put it through a system. That system scores your letter between 26 and 89. If it's cookie cutter, more than likely your score is going to be from 26 to a 29, which means that it will never get to a person. And that's what you want to do when you send that letter explaining the situation, why this account should be removed, why this account is not in your name, why this negative verified account should not be on your credit report. It will never get to that person that you're trying to make sure it gets to, so that human can read the letter and state, yes, this does make sense. But if it never does get to us because you use that cookie colored letter, you are wasting your time. You're spinning your wheels over and over. So this is why I need you to get in the Best Credit Blueprint, guys. Now guys, another mistake that I see people doing when they send this letter is trying to sound as an attorney. Guys, we're not an attorney. You are not a credit repair company. And what you need to do is sound like a person. This information is not it doesn't belong to me. And you need to actually get that lingo, because that's another thing that the system smell. They smell the BS. And guess what? If they smell the BS, your letter will get scored between 26 and 29, which will never be seen by a person. Another thing that I see, another mistake that I see people doing is sign the letter. Guys, you never sign the letter. Because by signing the letter, guess what you just did? You verify your account. You verify that that is you. So this is a big no-no, guys. I need you to guys understand. I need you to learn the credit blueprint. The credit blueprint that we're trying to make for you. We need to tailor it for you, right? So please, never, when you send a letter, sign the letter, right? Another thing that you need to keep in mind is you never call in. When you get the letter back with your account was verified, you never call in, because what they're going to do is, if you've seen every time you call in the credit bureaus, the first thing they tell you is this call is recorded for training purposes only. But guess what? Your voice, the information you give in, it verifies your information. So that's something that you have to keep in mind. Not only that, keep in mind that in this age, IP addresses, computers, everything is verified. So they know if it's you, they know if the IP addresses belong to your home record, unless you're using a VPN. And not very few people know what a VPN is, and very few people know how to actually get into the credit blueprint. Not only that, 76% of people don't even know what's going on with the credit report, guys. So this is why I need you to learn what's going on and how to create your own blueprint. Now guys, I need you to learn your credit blueprint. I need you to develop the credit blueprint. Why? Because this is the only way that you're going to be able, in this case, remove, verify negative account from your credit report. Guys, a negative account will affect your credit dramatically. Trust me on that. I went through it. I developed this credit blueprint for myself, and this is why I'm saying what I'm saying, is because I lived it. About, let's just say 85% of the things that I tell you is because I tried it on myself first, and then I work with a lot of my clients, and it worked. So this is proven information. This is things that we actually worked on. These are letters that I developed with my attorneys in order to help you. Actually, I developed it for myself, but I'm willing to work with you in order for you to develop your own blueprints, and thus helping you to actually get into the 800 club. Sounds nice, right? You know what an 800 credit score gives you guys? You are worth cash between $150,000 to $200,000. So keep that in mind, guys. I need you to go ahead and learn the credit blueprint. I need you to develop this for yourself, and we're here to help you. Now, if you want help to actually do the whole system, we teach you. Now, something that you have to keep in mind is this is a lengthy process. Credit is not built overnight. This is going to take you between 6 to 18 months. And that's what it took me. Being diligently, paying attention, putting hours in it, learning the game, developing my own blueprint. Now you can follow my blueprint and you could actually do it for a lot less. But if you need help as soon as possible, guys, still learn the blueprint, because I just want to give you a fish. I want to teach you how to fish. But at the same time, I have my preferred vendor, which is In It to Win It Credit Solutions. Now, guys, these people will help you to actually increase and not only delete, but to actually create a solution for yourself faster than anything, guys. I want to make sure that, I bring them to you, they'll work with us, and your results could be anything from 60 to 90 days. Guys, not everybody's the same. Something that I want to tell you is I'm not an attorney nor a CPA, but what I'm telling you is because it's proven methods that have worked with me and our clients. I want to make sure that I bring some value to you. So I appreciate that you guys are here today with us. I appreciate that you took the time and subscribe. I appreciate that you like and share. But at the same time, I want you to please make sure give me the thumbs up, because I want to make sure that I only help you, but help a lot others in this path of helping America. As you see, I'm an immigrant in the United States, but I want to help not only you, but many others in the States to actually get to the 800 club. This is something that I was not taught in school. This is something that our kids, or probably you, was not taught in school. Finance is not something that is taught in school. How to make money, how to fix your own credit. It doesn't pay. But guess what? If you know the game, if you know the blueprint, and you create that blueprint, then it pays you. Something you gotta keep in mind is money talks, but credit makes conversations, guys. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys are here with me today. This is your boy Carlos Estrada. I'm with the Best Credit Blueprint. Do not forget to actually click on the bell icon, click on all, so like that you'll be notified anytime that we post new information. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Make sure you give me the thumbs up so like that I can reach you and a lot more. See you in the next video.